Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will be talking to you about the latest developer build of Microsoft Windows 11 from Microsoft, which is 25136, and you can also see it here as a watermark. And if you haven't received it yet, then for that you can click here on this menu button, and then you can go to settings, and in Windows Update you can click on check for update. In this way you can always have latest Windows update. Now let's talk about the latest features that has been added with this build, which is build 25136. If we talk about the first improvement comes in File Explorer and navigation. If you see here on the left hand side in this picture, you can see the divider, which give us kind of effect and kind of feeling that we have properly segregated the icons. If we talk about another big change, here you can see in this image on the top, you can see the plus button, which lets you open multiple tabs in same Explorer. Since this feature is only enabled for few users, so that's why I'm showing in picture, but stick to this video guys, because in the later half I will be talking to you about how we can enable these features, which is hidden as of now for us. Next update that comes with this version of Microsoft Windows is dynamic widget content on taskbar. Now here we can see not only the weather, we can also get live updates from sports, finance and breaking news alerts. If we talk about other improvement, then now one can report the animated gifs if you feel inappropriate. Let me quickly show you with the help of an example. Let me open WordPad here, and here if I want to add a gif by pressing Windows and full stop button, now one can report any gif if they don't like it or feel kind of inappropriate. If we talk about fixes, then there are so many fixes in different category. Similarly, there are bug fixes in other categories, for example taskbar, start, settings, windowing and Windows update. If you want to know more about these bug fixes, then I will keep the link in the description of this video. From there you can know more about these bug fixes. Now let's talk about how we can enable the feature that came with this version of Windows but is not enabled for us. For example, with me also, here we can see despite the new update I cannot see the multi-tab feature enabled, and I cannot see the separation of different categories. Okay, so now we will see how we can enable that. For that we require to download a small tool known as vivetool. If you have seen our previous video, in that also we have shown you how we can enable it. So first of all, we will be opening Microsoft Edge, or if you have Google Chrome, you can open any of the browser. Now here we require to search for vivetool. So you can simply search for this tool. If you do not want to search, then don't worry guys, I will provide you direct link in the description of this video. From there also you can directly reach to the page. Now here we require to write vivetool GitHub. If you do not want to write anything here, then don't worry guys, I will provide you this direct link in the description of this video. From there you can directly download it. Now from here we will be downloading the latest version, which is this one. So let's download it. After this tool got downloaded, what we will be doing, we will be unzipping it. So let's unzip it. So you can use any extractor. Now after the tool got unzipped, what we need to do is we need to copy it, and now we will require to paste it on C drive. So let's click here on this PC. Now we will be going inside C drive. Now we need to look for Windows folder, and here inside this Windows we need to look for system32. So just press S till then you can find this one, and now here you can paste these both files. So because I have already pasted them, that's why it is showing me to replace, and make sure that you have administrative privilege so that you can paste it here. Now what we need to do is just press the menu button and type cmd. Now run it as administrator. Now what you need to do is you need to copy and paste the command from the description of the video, and I'm going to paste the first one and simply hit enter. Similarly, you need to paste another command. So basically what this command do is it will basically enable the hidden features which we were talking about. After hitting enter again, simply restart your system. So I'm going to restart system and then I will come back. Now after I restart my system, let me click here on File Explorer. Now I believe I can see both things enable, which is here we can see the dividers. However, the divider does not look that cool that I was expecting, but still it exists. And second change is this, the multiple or tabbed version of File Explorer. So which look good, I would say, and we do not need to open multiple File Explorer. So which is good, I would say. And in future we can see in this way we can get rid of opening multiple File Explorer. So let's make a right click here and we can see few more options. The first one is close tab, which will close this tab, and the second option says close other tab, which means that it will not close this tab but will close these both tabs. So let's click here on this close other tab and we can see how this option close other tabs and does not close the current one. So in this way guys, we have seen how we can even enable the features that came with this version of Windows but was disabled for you guys. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.